spilling out and staggering in the square. There's lads and lasses falling about and a crackling in the air. Down around the dungeon doors, the shelters and the queues, everybody's looking for somebody's arms to fall into. That's what it is. That's what it is now. Here's frost on the graves and the monuments, but the taverns are warm in town. People curse the government and shovel hard food down. Lights are out in City Hall, the castle and the keep. The moon shines down upon it all, the legless and asleep. And it's cold on the toll gate with the wagons creeping through.